In this video, we will let you know all you need to know about Burns Night in under 2 minutes. Burns Night is celebrated every year in Scotland on or around the 25th of January. It commemorates the life of the poet, musician and songwriter Robert Burns, known informally as Rabbie Burns. Burns Night celebrates his contribution to Scottish culture as well as his birthday. His best known work is the song Auld Lang Syne, which is sung by millions of people every New Year's Eve. The night itself is celebrated with a very traditional meal, a Burns supper. The supper begins with a Scottish soup, such as Scotch broth, Cullen skink or cockaliki. The main course is Haggis, which is served up with mashed turnips, known as Neeps, and mashed potatoes, also known as Tatties. There are traditional desserts too, maybe a shortbread or a creamy dessert called cranachan. A haggis is a small animal that lives in the Scottish Highlands. Their left and right legs are different lengths, which allows them to run quickly around the steep mountains and hillsides where they live. Well, that's the fairy tale anyway. In reality, a traditional haggis is a bit like spicy mince, made with bits of meat that you might not normally eat, like sheep's heart, lungs and liver. It also has onion stock and other things in it too. The mince is then wrapped in the animal's stomach and can be boiled, baked or deep fried. If you were to attend a very traditional Burns Night, you'd be greeted by bagpipers. There will be speeches and poems throughout the evening. There may also be traditional Scottish music and dancing. Other people choose to have quieter evenings at home or in small groups with some poetry reading. However you choose to spend your Burns Night, have a good one. Thanks for watching Pocket Chronicles. We're here to help you understand what's happening throughout the year with our quick guides. All our sources and further info can be found in the description below. Please click subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, or add a comment. New guides are posted each week.